So first, you have to get access to the little wires on the inside by using this little tool here. Then you've got these, what is it? 2, 4, 6, 8 wires, and these fibers, if you can kind of see them, that you just cut off. Well, at least try to. I don't know. I can't really usually get them. That'll work. Rip them off instead. And then you have to spread these cables out. Kind of like this. Looks like a stick figure. Then you untwist them and straighten them. You do that for every wire. And while you're doing that, I kind of get them in the order I need them. So it goes striped orange, orange, and then it goes striped green, then it goes blue, striped blue. Then you go green, and then striped brown and brown. And then you have to put them all together. And then like kind of straighten them out. Get them in your order, and then you check them one more time. So then it's striped orange, orange, striped green, blue, striped blue, green, striped brown, and brown. Then you have to cut the cable to the length. I'm just doing it over a trash can. Check your order one more time. Light orange, orange, light green, blue, light blue, green, striped brown, brown. Then you get a little connector. And just put it in the back side. Oh, that cable bent. sure the cables go through the little thing. And you check your order one more time. Striped orange, orange, striped green, blue, and it's supposed to be striped blue, but it messed up. So then you fix it. So then, striped orange, orange. You're gonna have to do it backwards, but it's striped orange, orange, striped green, blue, striped blue, green, striped brown, and brown. Looks about right. Put it in a little crimper, which makes the cables stay in there. Then you crimp it. And I'll show it. So then you see that blade comes down the back and cuts those cables off. And you just made an Ethernet cable.